Daylight Time. 7:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. County dispatch reported the imminent failure of Sanford Dam on the Chattahoochee River. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding from the imminent failure of Sanford Dam. Source, County Dispatch. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of areas downstream from the Sanford Dam along the Chattahoochee River. The nearest downstream town is Sanford, located immediately below the dam. The town of Averill is 3.5 miles downstream, and the Chattahoochee School area is 8.5 miles downstream. And the Sanford Dam along the Chattahoochee River should be prepared for flooding. If you are in low-lying areas below the Sanford Dam, move to higher ground immediately. Follow evacuation instructions provided by your local emergency officials. Do not attempt to drive across flooded roadways.
Partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s. Saturday, partly sunny until midday, then becoming mostly sunny. A 20% chance of showers. Highs in the mid-80s. Saturday night.
The preceding signal was a test of the public warning alarm system for NOAA, all hazards radio station, KIH-29. During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially bill receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted each Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting only the following southeast lower Michigan counties: Tennessee, Saginaw, Shiawassee, Lapeer, Tuscola, May, Midland, Livingston, Oakland, and Huron. This concludes the test of NOAA weather radio station KIH-29. We now return to the normal broadcast.
11:20 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Conditions around the area at 11 a.m.
These are the 11 a.m.